Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and purchase a ticket from FIBA depending on wherever you are. So whether you're in Canada, whether you're in the United States, you can still do it. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make clear that you can do this from both your Android or iOS devices. So simply go ahead and open your FIBA application on your mobile device. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and log in into your account. I'm just going to go ahead and enter as guest for now. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on find your cities and simply go ahead and search for your city. So for example, let's say Florida. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this right over here. And now you can simply go ahead and select any events that you want to. Let's say, for example, I don't want to go to Florida. Let's say I am in Texas at the moment. And I'm just going to go ahead and search right over there. And now, in order for me to go ahead and get any of the tickets that I can find, all I need to do is simply go ahead and tap on it. And now just go ahead and click on the get tickets, and now click on this right over here by selecting it. And once you go ahead and select enough tickets or how much ever you want, it's going to go ahead and ask you for your payment details. And once you enter your payment details, it's going to go ahead and charge you, and you will have the tickets online. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.